Hi, this is Suresh Advani. I am a thoroughbred Mumbaikar and I am 75 years old today. I have been a diligent and competent human being right from the time I graduated from IIT Mumbai, and I've had a checkered career only with two groups of international standing. The first group of 28 years association with a German company, where I moved out as a board member of the company and joined SIBA as the MD of SIBA CKD, which later on became part of the new Novartis as you know today. I continued my journey with Novartis, and on my retirement, I was in charge of Asia Pacific Global HR, and I think that was the high point of my career. Being a student of form and being a follower of good discipline, I've been having an annual medical checkup since the year 2000. And in my one of my first checkups, it was found that I have a loss of hearing. On understanding that it could have been either genetic or it might have been a creation or the side effect of the developing diabetic condition I was going in for. It was suggested that I follow up to have it examined so that I could give it a remedy in good time. The name of Shaila Vora was recommended, and I trudged my way up to her office in her premises, and lo and behold, a new journey began as far as the management of my hear loss problem was concerned. Shaila Vora is a very diligent and a great follower of discipline as far as managing a problem of the ear is concerned. It was my learning of this journey with her that I realized I'm going to have a problem in both my ears as far as the loss of hearing is concerned. But to my great happiness, it has not been such a big loss in that sense, since at every stage a review and a re-examination led to managing the problem as I went along. I must tell you that I did not miss out hearing the right things at important meetings in my capacity as the director of companies. And therefore, I owe my gratitude to Shaila that I did not miss out on important corporate indulgence. As far as the upgrading and recalibration process, which is a must as you go along, because with age, the loss of hearing does increase. But if a timely attention is given by use of the right type of devices, it's a very good relief. On learning that Shaila has also devoted her time and capabilities to dyslexia, I was immediately impressed. But by nature, as I'm a student of human behavior, I tend to associate very closely with all the people of the medical profession with whom I have come in touch for my requirements, be it my eyes, where I suffered glaucoma, and my doctor, Dr. Patel, then Shaila as far as my ears are concerned, Dr. Sabhadra as far as my teeth are concerned. But I'm happy that in this journey towards the age of 75, I have not been let down by any one of my medical friends. And for Shaila, I wish her all the best. She is venturing out in setting up a nice website in this time of modern internet behavior, and I'm sure she will make a good impression and take care of all her patients. I must add that in my travels globally, whichever part of the world, if I required help, and due to my loss of hearing or device or problem, I could contact her on the internet or on the phone, and I did get relief as well as solutions to carry on in my assignments abroad. Good luck to Shaila, and I'm sure that all of you who may go to her for help in as far as hearing loss is concerned, I promise you it will be jingle bells and you can hear the music as well. Thank you, and all the good luck to you.